What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZBCN. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 1 hour chart. If you are watching this coin, you know that for the past couple of days we are pumping here absolutely like crazy, but let's now take a look on some potential setups that you can take to open here a long position. First possible setup will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under this bullish order block area, which is between levels 0.005460 and 0.005293. If there will be a liquidity grab, we also need to wait here for the price to pull back up, because then we can set here a perfect stop loss. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So for this case, stop loss will be, let's say, probably around 6% of a net market. And last take profit targets you can place either above this high or you can place it on higher level, because once we will break this high we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that we don't have here any important support or resistances which let's say will work against us. So last take profit target in this case I would place on a risk reward ratio 10, so it will be level 0.08794. So in this case, potential profit around 62% of a net market, potential stop loss around 6.2% of a net market. In this case, you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take under the current high or perhaps under these previous important highs, then under 0.7, 0.008, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be like 7, 6.5, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. So to summarize this setup, and if you for example want to help with trading, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. But to summarize this setup, you want to see here a liquidity grab under this previous important lows, because opening a long position on the current level will not give you that great risk reward ratio. And then you want to wait here for that support confirmation, and stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. On the other hand, if there won't be this liquidity grab with a support confirmation, but the price will just continue, you can take your slightly more risky setup, which you can enter once we will break this current high, and stop loss you need to place under this current low. Honestly, I am not recommending this because the stop loss will be around 10% of a net market and it's not gonna be that safe. But if your last take profit target will be same as in the previous scenario, you can get here trade with risk reward ratio around 4, which is actually not that bad. But as I said, this is kinda risky, and yeah, there are much better setups. But the other setup that I want to discuss will be valid in case of a breakdown and then a resistance confirmation, because then I'm expecting we are gonna hit those lower bullish order block areas. And here, if there will be a liquidity grab, or you can speculate here with just a limit order, simply this can be really great idea. First potential long position will be valid, as I said, with a limit order. Stop loss you want to place under the first bullish order block, which will give you stop loss around 8% of a net market. Last take profit target you can place again on the level 0.0886, something like that, which will give you a potential profit around 100% of a net market and risk reward ratio around 11. This is another really great trade. And if you don't want to take here that limit order, and as in the previous scenario, you can wait here for a liquidated grab and then a support confirmation, you just need to place stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. So on the 1 hour chart, these are the main setups that I'm currently watching. On the 4 hour chart, we are having this bullish order block. This is between level 0.04442 and 0.004208. To this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop around 25% of a net market, which is definitely possible. You can see for the past couple of days, we are currently up around like 64%. And in the long time perspective, this coin is pumping really, really heavily. So honestly, I'm right now expecting that something like this can happen. But for me, the best setup that I'm currently watching will be valid in case of this liquidity grab and then a support confirmation in this area. But definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. Another trade that you can take will be just in case of a retest of this bullish order block, but in this case your stop loss will be kinda big because you need to place the stop loss under this bullish order block area. So in this case, stop loss will be around 18% of a net market. Take profit target on the exact same number, potential risk reward ratio around 4.8. So you can see these trades are like not bad, but they are not giving you that great risk reward ratio. If we will take a look on a daily chart, you can see this is absolutely insane. And after we break this previous high, which I was talking about in my previous analysis on this coin, this was a pump around like 190% of a net market. So if some of you took this move right now, this is definitely an opportunity to take some profit. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely do not FOMO into this coin because right now the RSI is, for example, on the level 93.37. So it's right now definitely overbought. But also I'm not expecting this pump is over yet. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to know about, for example, the exact setup that I'm planning to take on this coin or on the other altcoins, then as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.